Welcome back to IK Passion Passport. Today is the last night of year 2023. So I am here to show you the New Year celebrations in Singapore. So there are a total of 8 points where this New Year being celebrated in Singapore with the nice fireworks. But I am here at Marina Bay Sands where the best show is conducted. So stay tuned, I'll be showing you around. While there are so many things that has happened good to us in 2023, especially to me, the best is having blessed with a baby boy. Yes, it's a boy. So that is why I was away for some time and I couldn't post any video on social media. Sorry for that, but I'm back and you will be seeing more videos coming soon. Fireworks is not the only reason that is why I have picked Marina Bay Sands. Besides that, there are so many other lucrative activities that compels me to come over here. For example, look at this go-karting. Because of this Christmas Eve and Happy New Year time, they have arranged this go-karting session here. To have a ride, you should be having a driving license, and the cost for this ride is $41 per adult. Next to go-karting, you can find plenty of food stalls filled with variety of food, not only food, delicious food that comes with the variety of Malay, Thai, Japanese and local food. Come here, visit, get tired, get hungry, feed yourself and go back again. You can see it's raining, but determinations and dedication is high. So I'm gonna stay here to show you the nice firework at Marina Bay Sands for the Happy New Year. So stay tuned. Man, look at the crowd. It's just 9 p.m. That means 3 hours to New Year, and you can see that it's already crowded and no space to stand and record the fireworks. Happy New Year to all of you. I hope you like the fireworks and the video today. Please like this video and hit the subscribe button. See you again with the next video very soon. Take care of yourself. Till then, bye bye.